Civil site design allows users to apply dynamic labels to their alignments. When creating or editing an alignment, open the alignment form, fill out the form as required, and to use dynamic labels, simply tick on the Apply Dynamic Drawing Labels box. Notice the standard labels are removed and replaced. This will reveal the contextual alignment labels options. Change the section list to remove or include sections as preferred. You can also change the label set. This will show the label styles assigned to the different point types. From here you can also edit the sections list in the Edit Station List form. Use Control for separate individual and Shift for group selections, and then toggle your selection on and off. Refresh the alignment to apply the new section list. Add extra chainages by editing the section list and click on the Extras tab. Enter a chainage range and a spacing for the extra labels. Click to update the list and refresh the alignment to update the labels in the plan view. In the Alignment Annotation Label Set tab, select an annotation set from the drop-down to see what point types are being labelled and with which label style. Extra point types can be added, and you can edit the geometry text directly. Note the extra text being added when the alignment is refreshed. Click on the adjacent Edit button to edit the label styles on the Create Plot Items form. Select a label style and double-click to edit the text item. Here I am disabling the Remove Trailing Zeros option. Return to the alignment form and refresh to update the labels with the new label style applied. New alignments use the standard labels by default. To disable the standard labels, in the Drawing Settings CSD Styles tab, set all of the annotation style sets to none. Now when you create road objects such as curb returns, the standard labels are omitted. Each string has its own settings applied in the Alignment Labels form. These can be toggled on or off and then updated by clicking the Add Labels button. Choose All in the drop-down and click the Tick button to turn on all of the alignment string labels. Control the extents of the labels using the Chainage ranges. Ideal for alignments that have varying requirements, such as a cul-de-sac at the end of a road string, you can label the plan using a Chainage range from the Alignment Labels form. Apply the ranges and specify the extents and settings to be applied. Add the labels and note that they have been added to the specified chainage and then removed where they are not required. For alignments that have already been made, you can click the Edit Alignment and tick on the Apply Dynamic Drawing Labels box for each one. Some alignments are created automatically, such as curb returns, so these alignments can be set to use the dynamic labels this way as well. Once created, dynamic labels can be moved to a more legible location using the object grips. Click the Reset Label button to restore the label to its original location. You can manipulate the label further by selecting the Edit User Text option. In the text edit form, users can add text before and after each text entry of the label style being applied as shown in the preview. Share your label style on your other projects or with other users on their projects. First I'll edit the label style, and in the Create Plot Items form, click Copy to create a custom label style. Close the forms, and in the drop-down, choose Copy Label Styles. Here I can copy the selected label style and optionally give it a new name in the global library by clicking Copy. It is now available for selection in the global list of label styles. Click to import all of the new global label styles to the local library. If we open the Create Plot Items form, we can see that both global and local versions of the custom label styles are now available. Set up the label sets for future projects in the Alignment Annotation Style Sets form. Note that edits made here will only be applied on future projects and will not override your current drawing label settings.